The 2019 Porsche Cayenne turns execution DNA with a strand of rough terrain ability, and crosses over any barrier amongst Porsche and SUV impeccably. The Porsche Cayenne stacks shocking execution into its tall-wagon hybrid body. It's a recipe once thought to be sin, now it's predicable. Presently it's in its third era, and on account of a sagaciously redesigned lodge and a trio of powertrains, the 2019 Cayenne wins a score of 8.0 generally. It doesn't wander too far down new styling streets, not all things considered. The Cayenne goes out on a limb in its abundant lodge. Touchscreens and voice charges have sent pink slips to the 100 or more catches and switches that characterized old Cayenne cockpits. The Streamliner Impact understands the Porsche SUV's huge inside space, while it fastens its chic remainder. Its elusive blame with the Cayenne's trio of powertrains, single-turbo and twin-turbo V6s and a twin-turbo V8. No module half-breed has showed up, not yet, but rather every Cayenne drops sub-6-second increasing speed times. Most will accompany a large number of versatile electronic controls for everything from the 8-speed programmed and all-wheel drive framework to the accessible air suspension and versatile dampers. In our initial test drives, the Cayenne's on-the-fly gadgets extend its execution envelope route past lawful levels. It's shockingly quick, eagerly gritty, familiar on both smooth asphalt and the uncivil streets where its rough terrain accreditations come into center. Porsche maximizes the Cayenne's impression with incredible inside space, and fills it with required extravagance highlights like programmed crisis braking and genuine cowhide upholstery.